show you how to print your business cards via Vistaprint. So when you're on Vistaprint website, click here on business cards and choose standard on any other shape you want. We will click on standard here, and then here choose upload design. You can choose your layout here. So we have standard, horizontal, and vertical and square shape. We are choosing standard. Select here, and now click here anywhere and upload logo or image. Now go to your folder where you saved the PDF files that I sent you and choose front, PDF front. Okay, and here it is. You have your design here. Here you have front and back side. Now let's click on back side, upload your design, click anywhere here and upload logo or image. Now go to your folder again and choose back side of your business card. So you've uploaded your design here. Don't worry if it looks blurry, because these are vector-based PDF files and they can be enlarged to any size without losing the quality. So blurry, they look blurry only here in the preview, but it will be printed perfectly sharp. Now you can see here the preview, front and back. You can even download the PDF proof. So you see it looks perfectly sharp. And now click on next. If everything is okay, you should check this field here. Yes, everything looks great, and click on continue. And now you should just follow the final steps and you'll receive your printed credit cards. So I hope this helped. Thanks for watching.